He's trying to wake him up. More, it's past 3 o'clock.
Hmm?
It's past 3 o'clock.
Uh-oh.
It's like 3:20. I mean, you slept for a long time. You want to sleep more? Aiden slept for 3 hours. Now, Evan's been sleeping for 2 hours. Hey everyone. So now Aiden's sleeping. Let's go see if the other one's awake or sleeping. Let's see what's going on in here. Did he wake up? So now it's nap time and they are sleeping. Oh, it's so nice outside. We need to go outside today. We went to the playground this morning, but that's all. Oh, no one's outside. It's beautiful. Can you see that white thing over there? That is Asia Stadium for the Asia Olympics. I don't know what year that was. So hubby said we're gonna go out soon when the kids wake up. Oh my God, they're sleeping forever, seriously. Now it's 2:54 and they're still sleeping. I don't think we can go out because dinner's like 6 p.m. So now it's like 3 p.m. Yeah, I don't think we're going out. Evan and Aiden both sleeping and Appa sleeping too. Should I wake him up? Did you wake up? Is that your doll? Come here, Noah. Hey, high five. You want to play some more? No? You never play with your dolls like this. Hey! Oh, my baby! Hey, Google, turn off. I think I'm gonna open this door so then they can wake up. Let's see. Oh, where is it? How cute are they? Okay, I'm just gonna keep the door open so then they can wake up. You wanna go to this messy playroom, Aiden? If I did not mention, I hate toys. I really, really hate toys. I wanna throw everything away. Ow! 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 Are you cooking pizza? Are you gonna cook pizza for mommy? Nice. Whoa, it's all done? 주세요. Thank you. 감사합니다. Oh, you need to cook it some more? You're gonna cook it some more? Nice. Okay, we made it. But we kind of made it to a different side. We thought we were gonna be where there's actually stuff, but there's nothing. So more, how do you want to go to the other side?
Taking the elevator.
And walk over the bridge?
Yep.
Uh-oh.
They would like that.
They will like that, probably. Evan's gonna like it. But remember, whatever we do, we have to undo. So we're gonna take this elevator and go over the bridge to cross. The only problem is, I was saying there's no elevator on the other side, I don't think. I didn't see it unless we walk much further. Evan, you have to be very careful on this bridge, okay? Because there's gonna be cars there, okay?
Why?
Because it's a bridge. We're going up. It will be a nice view from up here, huh? Okay. Let's see. Let's see if it looks safe or dangerous. Woo! Oh, gonna be 시원해요. Nice. Looks safe. This is the bridge we drove over? No. Oh, this is big.
Yeah. 여기 붕붕붕 없네.
Oh, there's the train, Evan. Evan, Katja, hurry. Because we don't have a lot of time. Okay, more the moment of truth. Is there really a elevator here? Now we crossed.
Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh, there's not an elevator? Oh, there is? But yeah, let's see where that takes us. That takes us just to the station. That's for like the bus. Look, there's a bus here, more.
Uh-oh.
Look, here's an elevator, but it goes to, that's for the bus. And it goes to the station. I hope we can get down. Yeah, then look. Why is my nose growing? Yay, there's a way. Here, more. Let's go, Katja.
Do what I wanna. Minimal drama, no, it's not a problem. I'm good for the summer. Get into trouble, let's party till sunup. I'm not saying no.
But sometimes it's not fun with it hooked at the bottom. Over there's the water. Yeah. Nice day.
And there's actually music performance before. And you can see the seat here.
Oh, really?
Place for.
Oh, they're watching it on the wall?
No, here's the place at the stage.
Oh, on the stage.
Here's the seat.
Ah, oh, more. I think this side is better then.
Huh?
Look, if we go up this side, we can just walk down right there on that side, right by the parking lot.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. That's not far then.
No.
That's much, much better, right?
Oh, 조심.
Evan, don't save me, save Evan.
Juice and hot dog.
Ah, food truck. So, where shall we put our mat?
Cheese.
Yeah, you got a face that I wouldn't mind. Seeing back at my place in the morning light. You're coming at the clutch in the nick of time. Are you down for the
No? These ones are yummy. Sesame sticks. Huh, Aiden? Is it yummy? Because you finished. It's all done. Okay, well now more we set up the mat. We had like 2 pieces of cheese and crackers. It's time to go back home.
No, still we have time.
What time is it?
4:40.
Oh. I was eating the cheese and cracker. Oh, it's hot outside today.
Yeah.
Whoa, Evan, do you think you can climb across there? Or you want to jump in and get the soccer ball down there? Wow! You're scared! Wow, we did it! Wow, it's really pretty here, huh? Let's look here. Oh, I just saw
Oh, yeah, fish over there.
Oh! I saw one here too. Whoa, that was big, right?
Yeah, it was big one.
Oh, right there, right there. Look, wherever there's bubbles of them in the water, that's a fish. Okay? Oh, there's a lot of baby fish right here. Evan, scoot up more. Whoa, whoa, jeez, he bounced up. Oh, just Aiden, you want to try something? Evan, is it fun? So more, it's Sunday evening. What are you making for dinner today?
For dinner today, like maybe you heard about gambas?
Yes, my
Gambas.
favorite. Well, one of my favorites.
We used to make with small shrimp, then today it's with the bigger size shrimp.
Ooh, looks yummy.
Some Korean style rice.
Aiden needs more?
Yeah.
Okay, more poldo drink? Okay, good.
Here is the main dish, gambas
Yummy.
and salmon sashimi, 연어, ketchup for potato, and many. And any drink?
I have it here.
Enjoy.
Wait. What do you want? Oh!
That's spicy.
It's not that spicy. Is it yummy?
뜨거워.
It's not spicy anymore. Aiden, you want to eat that?
No.
Aiden, 안 차요. Did you want that? Oh, he got the shrimp. He put it in. Whoa, he ate it. Aiden, 맛있어요. Evan, you want to try one?
No,
왜?
I don't like trying.
맛있어요.
we
This one's like fish, Evan. You keep saying you want to go fishing and eat fish. Then why aren't you eating this?
no, real one.
This is the real. He always says the real one. Evan, this is the real one.
No, my baby one. My baby one.
More. Well, thanks some more for cooking. It's yummy,
You're welcome. 밥.
like always.
뜨거워?
So I hope you enjoyed our video. Remember to push the like button and
bye-bye.
subscribe. And see you in the next video.
Bye, Evan.